Have you ever wanted to install an IPA app on your iPhone without jailbreaking it? In this video, I'll show you a simple method to install a third-party IPA app on iOS 26 using Apple JR. By the end of this tutorial, I'll demonstrate that the app launches successfully on my iPhone. Let's get started. The first step is to open Safari and visit applejr.site. From there, download the latest version of Apple JR to your iPhone. Once the download is complete, we're ready to install it. Now, open the Settings app. You'll see the downloaded profile waiting to be installed. Tap the profile, follow the on-screen instructions, and complete the installation. After a few moments, Apple JR will be available on your home screen. Open Apple JR and go to the IPA section. In this example, I'll search for INDS. Once you find it, download the IPA file and save it to the Files app so it's ready for the next step. Next, return to Apple JR and open Apple JR Signer. Select the IPA file you just downloaded from the Files app. The signer will prepare and install the application onto your iPhone. Depending on your device, this process may take a few moments. After the installation is complete, let's try opening the app. If it doesn't launch the first time, don't worry. That's completely normal for newly installed enterprise or developer-signed apps. Simply open Settings. Go to General, then VPN and Device Management. Locate the profile associated with the app, tap it, and choose Trust. Once that's done, restart your iPhone to make sure the changes are applied correctly. Now let's open the app again. As you can see, it launches successfully and is ready to use. That means the installation process was completed successfully. And that's how you can install a third-party IPA app on iOS 26 using Apple JR without jailbreaking your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, iOS tips, and app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.